we'll guide you through how to save photos to Google Drive easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, look towards the left side and click on the New button. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Locate the photo or photos you want to upload. You can select multiple files by holding down the Ctrl key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac while clicking on the files. Once you've selected your photos, click Open, and Google Drive will begin uploading them. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your drive. For better organization, you can create a folder for your photos by clicking New, then Folder, and naming it something like Photos. After creating the folder, simply drag and drop the uploaded photos into this new folder. This keeps everything tidy and easy to find later. Now your photos are safely stored in the cloud and can be accessed from any device by logging into your Google Drive account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.